Hello, dear students. How are you all? I will hope you all are fine. So, dear students, I'm Bhupender Verma, your science teacher, and today we are going to start chapter 5 of class 7th science, that is heat, effect, and heat and its effects. So, let's start this chapter. What are the main points in this chapter? So, let's starting from the heat beta. What is a heat? We all know that heat is a kind of energy. Heat is a kind of energy and say form of energy. Heat is a form of energy that can transfer from hotter body to colder body. How the heat is transferred from hotter body to from hotter body to colder body. कैसे ट्रांसफ़र होती है हॉट से कोल्ड की तरफ. सो इन दिस चैप्टर विल नोइंग अबाउट what is the heat and what are the effects of heat, and we start from the classical concept. What is a heat? Until the end of 18th century scientists believed that the heat was a kind of fluid. देखिए 18th century की एंड तक, until the end of 18th century 18वीं शताब्दी के अंत तक, scientists believe that heat is a kind of fluid. हीट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ फ्लूइड. 18वीं शताब्दी के अंत तक क्या मानते रहे साइंटिस्ट? हीट क्या है? ए काइंड ऑफ फ्लूइड. एंड व्हाट आर द फ्लूइड्स? फ्लूइड्स आर दोज मैटर दैट हैव अ टेंडेंसी टू फ्लो लाइक गैसेस एंड लिक्विड. फ्लूइड्स आर दोज सब्सटेंस हैव अ टेंडेंसी टू फ्लो. फ्लूइड वो सब्सटेंस होते हैं जिनमें फ्लो करने की टेंडेंसी होती है, जैसे गैसेस और लिक्विड. Which was gained by the body when it was heated. The ancient views say that the fluid heat is a kind of fluid and which was gained by the body when it was heated and the lost when it was cooled. ये माना जाता था कि जो फ्लूइड है वो गेन कब होता है? जब उसे हीट किया जाता है, और वो लूज़ कब होता है? जब उसे कूल किया जाता है. कि जो फ्लूइड है जब उसे गर्म किया जाता है तो वो हीट हो जाता है, फ्लूइड फ्लो करने लगता है. उसके बाद में जब उसे कूल किया जाता है तो वो फ्लो कूल हो गए लॉस्ट हो जाता है. एंड दिस फ्लूइड वाज नेम्ड एज कैलोरिक. दिस फ्लूइड नेम एज गिवन एज अ कैलोरिक. दिस फ्लूइड नेम गिवन एज अ कैलोरिक. इस फ्लूइड को क्या नाम दिया गया? कैलोरिक नाम दिया गया. However, this theory could not explain several observation. हालांकि ये जो थ्योरी है कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशन को एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पा रही थी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वाई टू बॉडीज व्हेन रब्ड टुगेदर बिकम वार्म. जैसे कि दो बॉडीज़ को अगर हम आपस में रब करते हैं दैट्स बिकम वार्म. वाई? बिकॉज देर इज नो फ्लूइड फ्लो बिटवीन देम. यहाँ पे कोई फ्लूइड फ्लो ही नहीं कर रहा है. लाइक यू रब योर हैंड्स simultaneously with each other, then you observe that your hands create a heat. The heat is created here, but there is no fluid can flow. That's why this old concept is discarded. ये old concept जो है discard हो गया. Then after that, the experiment conducted by a scientist named Count Rumford and James Prescott in the beginning of 19th century. अब बात आ गई 18वीं शताब्दी के बाद में 19th century पे आ गए हैं. Beginning of 19th century, that means end of 18th and beginning starting 19th century की. The scientist named Count Rumford and James Prescott established that heat is a form of energy. उन्होंने क्या प्रूव कर दिया? Heat is a form of energy. They said that heat is a form of energy. So who tell us heat is a form of energy? Count Rumford and James Prescott. And it is also known as thermal energy. The energy in form of heat is also known as thermal energy. Then now many other forms of energy can be converted into heat energy. We all know that well. Many other form of energy can be converted into heat energy, like electrical energy. We all know that electrical energy in case of iron convert into heat energy. In case of electric heater convert electrical energy into heat energy. And some more devices like electric toaster convert electrical energy into heat energy. So these are some energy that convert into heat energy. They are the electrical energy that are convert into heat energy. Let us some more examples. Some mechanical energy, like while rubbing our hands, this is a mechanical work. This mechanical work energy convert into heat energy. This mechanical work convert into heat energy. So these are some forms that are converted into heat energy, and we all know that they are vice versa. Heat energy is also converted into some other kind of energy. Heat energy is also converted into some other kind of energy. How it's possible? Using the heat energy in the thermal power plants, we convert into electrical energy. Using the heat energy in thermal power plants, we convert into electrical energy. The heat energy of the solar sun heat energy we use in the solar panels to convert into electric energy. So these are some forms of energy that are converted one form to other form. Okay, so next is examples are given here that show that the energy conversion. First is when you rub your hands together, mechanical energy gets converted to heat energy and your hands become warm. जब हम हाथों को आपस में खींचते हैं, रगड़ते हैं, तो मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. Which is a mechanical energy? Mechanical energy is a combination of two kind of energy, kinetic energy and plus potential energy. Potential energy is that energy that is internal energy of our body. Potential energy is that energy that is internal energy of our body. Kinetic energy that relate with the motion. Kinetic energy that relate with the motion. So in case of rubbing our hands, potential energy of our body by moving our hands simultaneously with each other, then it convert into heat energy. So both potential and kinetic combine to form mechanical energy here. Next is when a fuel is burnt, chemical energy stored in the fuel gets converted into heat energy. We all know that fuel contain which energy? Chemical energy, then it convert into heat energy. Next is the heat energy of burning petrol is converted into mechanical energy. Petrol is also contained chemical energy, and the chemical energy of petrol is converted into heat energy by burning the petrol in engine of a car. And in electric heater, electrical energy is converted into heat energy. In powerhouse, the thermal power plant, heat energy of the burning coal is converted into electrical energy. How it is possible? First of all, we boil the water that with the help of coal in power plant, then create the steam pressure to move the turbine, and the rotating turbine generate the electricity with connect with the generator. I hope students you got it up to here. Next, some points that are important. What is the reason why the molecules move and why they generate energy? When a solid, liquid, or gas is heated, we all know that these are the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. They are heated, its molecules gain energy. What is a molecules, beta? We already studied about this in last chapter. Molecules. Every matter is made up of small, tiny atoms and molecules. Every matter is made up of small tiny atoms and molecules. In solid, these atoms are tightly packed, and in liquid, these are some loosely packed, but in gases, they are most loosely packed. They are much far away from each other. This is liquid, this is solid, and this is gas. So actually, the motion of the particles is responsible for transfer of energy. Its molecules gain energy. Okay, what is actually happen when we heat up all three states of matter, like solid, liquid, and gas? Their molecules gain energy. Their molecules gain energy, and they start moving faster. They start moving faster, and which energy they gain? They gain heat energy, and they show convert into kinetic energy. They convert into kinetic energy because motion is start. Then which energy is introduced? Kinetic energy is introduced here. And the more will be heat the substance, the faster is the kinetic energy and faster is the motion of molecules. Hence we say that heat energy is therefore the energy of the movement of particle. What is heat energy? There is the movement of molecules of particle. That means the molecular movement of the substance is a heat energy. I hope students you understand what is the reason of the heat energy, the motion of the particles, or say that the motion of molecules in a substance. Now let us discuss effects of heat. We all know that which state of the matter of the motion is fast, beta. Solid are the particles are tightly packed, then their particles are not strongly move because they are tightly attract with each other with the strong forces. So they are not move faster. But in liquid they move faster than solid, but in gases they are move much faster because they are already loosely packed and less force of attraction between them. That's why they move faster. Let us discuss effects of heat. For this we do an activity. Fill a vessel up to brim of water. That means completely fill up to top and brim. Brim means upper edge. Drop a few pieces of vegetable in it. Drop a few pieces of vegetable in it. Heat the vessel and observe the changes that happen. So what changes we observe here? Water becomes warmer, that is the temperature rises up. वाटर बिकम्स वार्मर, पानी धीरे धीरे गर्म होगा क्योंकि टेम्परेचर बढ़ने लगेगा. Does the heat cause the increase in temperature? First effect of heat is heat cause the increase in temperature. Heat क्या करती है? टेम्परेचर को increase करती है. Second is as the water heats up, some of its overflow, that is volume is increases. That heat cause the expansion. Heat cause the expansion. Why it is so? We all know that when we heat the liquid in a vessel, then after some time it comes out from the vessel because their molecules are get kinetic energy and move faster, and their force of attraction becomes loses. Their force of attraction becomes decreases or loses. So that's why heat cause the expansion. Expansion means expand हो जाना, बढ़ जाना उसकी volume का, और volume increase हो जाना. That is called expansion. Got it, students? Next is as the water boils, steam comes out, that means change the state from liquid to gas. So heat cause the change in state of matter also. Next is after the water has boiled for a few minutes, the vegetable becomes soft and the taste changes. That it show the chemical change. We all know that by heating a substance it also show chemical change because you know that the change that is not reversible. You all know that the cooked vegetable does not become again raw. पकी हुई सब्जियों को दोबारा कच्चा नहीं बनाया जा सकता. You already study an activity in your last chapter. What happened? We heat the mixture of iron and sulfur, then it's form ferrous sulfide, a chemical compound. So by heating, it show the chemical changes. Next is if the water is examined under a powerful microscope before after boiling, it is found that many bacteria that were earlier present in water have died. अगर हम माइक्रोस्कोप में देखें तो गर्म पानी के अंदर जो बैक्टीरिया पहले थे वो क्या हो जाएंगे? डेड. सो हीट अफेक्ट द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म ऑल्सो. हीट ऑल्सो अफेक्ट द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. And this is because every organism can tolerate a definite range of temperature. We all know that every organism have a definite range of a temperature. After that they start to tolerate them. Its activities of the several get affected. The temperatures are higher and lower than normal temperature. Okay, let us once again understand what are the main effects of heat. First is heat cause the increasing temperature. When we heat up a substance, it show the increase in temperature. Heat cause the change in state from solid to liquid, liquid to gas. And heat cause the chemical change. What chemical change? You observe that here the vegetables are cooked from raw to cooked. And when we heat any substance, then it show the chemical change. Okay. Next is if the water is examined under a powerful microscope, then they also affect the living organisms that are present in water. So these are some effects of heat. Let us discuss expansion in solids. Let us discuss expansion in solid. We can perform the following activity to show the expansion in solids. Take a ring and bowl apparatus. Which apparatus? Ring and bowl apparatus. This apparatus consists of the metal ring and a metal ball. At the normal temperature, the ball just passes through the ring. Now heat the ball and try to pass it through the ring. It will not pass through it because ball has expanded on heating and cool the ball the normal temperature. It will pass through the ring again. So what is actually this beta? This is known as ball and ring apparatus. The picture given here, ball and ring apparatus. When at the normal temperature we try to pass the ball through this ring or hole hook, then it's pass easily. When after hitting it, it's show expansion. It show expansion outward and size is increases, its volume is increases. Then it's never passed through this ring or loophole. That's why it show that the solid starts show the expansion. How it is show? Molecularly. Suppose this is a solid and the atoms are the solid are tightly packed. When we give the heat to it, and give the heat or fire to it, then its molecules start to move away from each other and they show expansion and increase in volume. And increase in volume. Okay, next activity that show that expansion, experimental investigation. Take a metal rod about 50 centimeter long, lay it horizontally on the two wooden spots. Keep one of its ends against the wall and rest other end round pencil over it. Attach a paper pointer of a pencil. Attach a paper pointer over the pencil. You will notice that the paper pointer rotates the right. Why? The more you will hit the road, more the pointer will be turned to right. देखिए क्या हो रहा है. We take a iron rod or iron ruler here and we put a pencil here and there is a paper attached with it like a pinpoint. We attach a paper like a needle point or pinpoint. When it is hit up, then it show the expansion in this side and it's try to rotate the pencil clockwise. It rotate the pencil clockwise. That's why this paper is show the rotation from right side or clockwise. This expansion, this activity also show that expansion in solids on heating. I hope students you got it. What is expansion of heating? Now let us discuss. We all know that what conclusion we observe here. It shows that solids expand on heating. Solid shows the expansion on heating. जो solid है वो expand हो जाते हैं heating पे. Now let us discuss expansion in liquids. You know that the molecules of liquid are not so firmly bound each other as a solid. जैसे solid में bound होते हैं molecule, वैसे ज़्यादा tightly packed नहीं होते हैं in liquids. Therefore, on heating, these vibration increase more than the vibration of molecules of solids. The result is that liquid expand more than the solid on heating. So we observe what we observe here: liquid expand more as compared to solid on heating. Liquid expand more as compared to solid on heating. The activities here: fill a flask up to brim with the water, then take a rubber cork at the hole in it and insert the narrow tube into hole. Fix a cork firmly the mouth of the flask. The liquid will rise in the little tube. Note the level of the liquid. Heat the liquid. It will notice that level the liquid of the tube will goes down little, then the starts rising. Going down, initially the flask gets heated up, flask and expands. Then the heat that reaches the liquid, it expands and its level in the tube goes up. Cool the liquid to the normal temperature, then level go will down. It's very easy beta. When we heat in a liquid in a round bottom flask, this is a round bottom flask and the tube insert in it, and first of all we mark the level of liquid here. Then we start to heat, then we observe that this level is increases. This show that liquid show the expansion. Liquid shows the expansion. So liquid shows the more expansion as compared to solids. Now let us discuss the expansion in gases. On heating a gas, that vibrates the molecule increases. When we heat the gas, then its molecules are moved more faster and increase its volume. Since the molecules are not bound to each other at all, the average distance between molecules increase considerably. Hence, the expansion will be more in the case of gases than liquid and solids. So gas show the more expansion, maximum expansion, and gas expand more than liquid and solid being heated. So activity for 8, empty the flask you will use to previous activity and fix the flask in a stand or upside down position over the beaker of the water, and gas tube dips inside the water, then the flask at the top, then the air is flask expand, then the escapes out the flask through the tube into the beaker containing the water bubbles. Can you see the water cool the flask, then the air inside the flask contracts, then the water rises up. It's a very simple activity beta. You also do this activity with the help of a candle. You lighten up a candle, you lighten up a candle and in a water, in a vessel of a water, then after that put an inverted glass over it, then you observe that after expansion the gas is decreases, expanding, then it's increase the water level. After heating, then you put it, then cooling down, then it's increase. जैसे जैसे ये ठंडा होगा, आग बुझ जाएगी तो ये water level ऊपर चढ़ने लगेगा. So contraction is shown here. I hope students you got it well, this activity. Now let us discuss expansion around us. First is expansion of solid can be put to us. The automatic fire alarm works on the expansion of solid. For this we use a bimetallic strip. Which strip? Bimetallic strip, that means two metal strips are connected with them. First is brass, second is iron. So we know that the expansion in brass is more than iron. So if expansion is more, then it can turn towards the iron attachment, where it can attach with the connector and start to ring. When it gets heat, it's the outside of the element, then this element gets heat and start to expand. When it's cool at the normal temperature and de-expand back and attain their position again. This is a working of fire alarm. Let's work on the expansion of solids. Next is application expansion in solids of the railway tracks. Railway tracks leave a gap between the tracks of the rails. Why? Because in the summer season, due to the increase in temperature, they start to expand. If we not leave the gap, then they look like this and raise up and cause the accident in trains. That's why the gap is leave to cover the expansion gap. And bridges have the rollers are used to adjust the expansion in bridges. Rollers are used to adjust the expansion in bridges. I hope students you got it well, and this is known as expansion application. And the last one is a very hot liquid is poured in a glass tumbler, then the tumbler sometimes cracks. हम जानते हैं जब वेरी हॉट लिक्विड बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म चाय या दूध कभी भी ग्लास के कांच के ग्लास में डालते हैं तो वो ब्रेक हो जाता है. दिस हैपन्स बिकॉज द इनर वॉल्स गेट हीटेड फर्स्ट एंड एक्सपेंड बट द आउटर वॉल्स रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड. दैट्स वाई इट्स क्रैक. The resulting strain cracks glass. These days, however, a special type of glass is used and expand very little when heat are available. Due to this low expansion, they do not crack if the very hot liquid is poured into them. Such glass is known as Pyrex glass. So, which glass does show a little expansion? Pyrex glass show the little expansion. So, I hope students you got it this section well. This is the first part of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.